Johnny's here for an install on the FlexJ, so stay tuned. So Wayne is trading in his Pajero Sport Malkracht valve for a Jimny.
This is the iDrive Jimmy's man.
We've got the EVC iDrive. Obviously this one is vehicle specific, made for the FJcruiser. Installation is pretty easy on this guy. Just loosen this little rubber cable here. And then basically all we're going to do now is just take the spark plug off the car, which is going to sit right on top of the throttle accelerator here. Just one little clip, you pull out. And all we're going to do is basically just plug the one in and bypass the second one. So click. You just get the key.
She's now plugged in.
Picks it up. So normally we just set it to economy 6 or eco 6. So it's got 3 modes. So that's going to be your off mode. You've got your eco mode, so when you're towing or if you're using cruise control, it's going to actually save you a bit of fuel on the long run. Then we've got our ultimate mode or your sports mode. Normally we just set this to 6, and then it goes all the way up to 9. 9 being very intense. And then we've got automatic control, which actually learns and adapts to how you drive your vehicle. Alright, so let's give this guy a go. Simply click off. Try it on eco. Try it on U. AC.
Okay, so the FlexJ has finally got its iDrive in. Now,
Ultra en sy super en sit dit op Superman mode.
I gaan eerst obvious, so we're first going to test it on off. So it's going to be on off.
I've never driven in the
Yeah, one of the
back of a FJ. It feels like sitting in a gym all over. Too bad I can't see myself traveling long distance like this, but okay, it's not that bad. It feels like riding around.
I quite enjoy it.
Okay, so now it's off and it feels normal. That's what, 50% throttle. Nothing to write home about except the sound of the new Vibe exhaust.
Shout out Vibe exhaust.
So we'll see now when we get a gap to, if we accelerate on a different setting, what it does. And it's a normal drive, it's not in manual mode. So we're going to do an AC.
AC first.
Okay.
Oh, instant.
It's not an alarm with the max RPM.
Oh, this is, by the way, this is Mexico, as you can see.
With speed limits
So
mean nothing.
there's no speed limit here in Mexico at the moment.
I was in the speed limit. It's not.
So let's try economy and actually see what it does to the throttle dampening. So when you're going to go crawling on rocks or you're going over a pass, you just want it to be stable,
Yes.
not jump around.
I'm suppressing, then it only drops again. Yes, it makes a big difference, the economy.
Obviously, you can also change how intense it is. This is the most intense, so it's
I'm
going to feel
gonna
like
slow.
you're going to push down a brick.
Yo, I'm pushing, suppressing.
And then we
It's
should see.
Jeez. It makes a massive difference. Huge difference. So now let's try it in manual mode. That was first gear.
Kom
Niet overweg.
It feels like that. Yeah, that.
It never chucked me back before. Now it is.
Instant response.
Yeah, the response is, especially with the auto box, the response, I think in a manual it doesn't make such a difference. It's still an improvement, but in an auto box, you can feel the difference. You can definitely feel the difference. I'm in second gear, and I'm gonna put my foot down. Not even halfway, and it drops again. It goes.
So, that iDrive is an absolute menace of a piece of technology, especially. Okay. He doesn't want this. He doesn't want this. As I was saying, I was rudely interrupted by Hilux. This iDrive is going to make this FJ a demon in the dunes. Absolute demon.
Non-young woman style.